You like the rain? Let's go. Hi. Hi.
Yay!
The green. Morning. Good morning. Morning. Yeah, you want to jump in the rainy puddles?
Little puddle.
Rainy puddle.
Push.
Come here, baby. You need socks, baby. Hi. I see you. Hi.
I'm in a car.
You are in a car. Vroom, vroom. Come on.
Mama,
I know, honey. You like the rain? Let's go. Hi. Go, go, go.
I go. Yeah.
Go.
Go. Go, go. Go. Yay.
For anybody else that like your family only has one car or you don't have any car at all, you have to walk everywhere for either groceries or the laundromat.
Mama, look.
You see,
Rainy.
it is raining now. We had to walk in the rain to get our groceries,
I'm on a puddle.
and we jumped in muddy puddles.
Okay.
That would have taken me like 25-30 minutes max if I was by myself. It took almost 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours with 2 toddlers walking in the rain to get groceries. Like the grocery store is like a 5-minute walk from my house, I'm not even kidding. But when you have littles and it's raining, well, sometimes it takes like 2 hours to do things.
I got milk. It's here.
Here, hold them up. Say we got the juice.
Oh. Yeah.
We got the apple juice.
Apple.
Yeah. Say we got the grapes.
Grape.
Grape. Got the half and half.
Yay.
We got the cream. Got the milk.
Mama. And Opie.
Mama's gonna make some coffee. Would you like some cider?
Fine, sir.
As stressful as that walk was, we did get everything we needed. Get the girls a snack and let them hang out and get the dishes done. Start cleaning up some, maybe do a load of laundry if I can. Make a nice hot coffee. The front of Ada's hair is all wet. I kept trying to pull her hood up, but she hates having things on her head, so she kept pulling it down and then getting excited because the raindrops were falling on her hair. And you just wanted to jump in muddy puddles. That was very cute. Careful, baby. Alright. Mama's gonna get these dishes done, okay? Okay. big emotions today. There's been a lot of this today. I'm hormonal and I'm not having the best day. I'm stressed out and tired. Yeah, you're tired. You don't feel good. Yeah. We just had a lot of big feelings today. Yep. 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 Got Maisie in bed. Finally, I was able to put on some comfy clothes. It's just been a stressful day. And for me, when I get stressed, I'm someone who very easily gets frustrated. And it's kind of hard for me to remind myself to stop, take a breath, and relax, and not just immediately react. And calm myself down, and respond. Yeah, because when you're having big emotions, it doesn't help when I'm having big emotions too. You just gotta take a breath together and relax. I'm gonna cuddle this sweet little squish. Hopefully get her to sleep. Enjoy some me time as I wait for Daddy to go home. Yeah. Wow. No more monkeys. You're so funny. I hope your day was not as stressful as mine. Yeah. I hope you had a really good day. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. We really appreciate it. Wow. Ready to go? Thank you. We'll see you next time. Bye. Say bye. 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 Bye.